Welcome to AI Podcast. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI Podcast to create AI-generated audio and video podcast within minutes. Once you're on the dashboard, you can choose between audio or video podcast. Now, to create a video podcast, you click on Create Video Podcast, give it a name. Let's say we want to create a podcast about weight loss. You can pick which country demographic you want to target, what language you want to do, how many guests you want, 1, 2, 3, or 4 so. If you pick for, you're going to be 1 host and 3 guests, right? So let's do 2, 1 host, 1 guest. Now you can pick from landscape, vertical story style, reel style, TikTok style, podcast 1 is to 1 podcast. And then you can pick how long you want your podcast episode to be for this demo. Let's keep it short. And next you can pick video style. So you can pick from solo, where you're going to have the host on the screen when the host is speaking, and then the guest on the entire screen when the guest is speaking, and they're going to switch back and forth. Or you can use panel, where both host and guest will be visible and will be speaking simultaneously together. Next, click on next and describe what you want your podcast episode to be. Click here for AI to build a longer description of it, which will again help AI further to build the script for your podcast. So this is the description for it. Again, you can add to it, modify it, edit it in any way, and then click on next. Now that description is what's going to be used to build your podcast script. Now on this screen, you can pick which characters you want, which AI characters you want on your podcast. Since we have 2 people on the podcast, I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm going to pick this one. Or you can have this one as well. I can unselect it and click on select right now. You can also create your own characters. You can upload your own picture, convert yourself into an AI character, add your own voice. You can clone your own voice and your character will show up here, and you can use one of those as well. Once that is done, once you picked your character, you click on Generate Video Podcast. Now it's going to take a couple of minutes for the podcast to start generating and for it to be ready for you to start editing and modifying. Now, once it says awaiting customization, you click on Edit, and here you can preview your entire podcast that has been AI generated. You can see your characters, you can see the entire script, you can modify the script. You can change the background, you can add images, videos, logo, upload your own logo. You can create images using AI and add on top of the screen. You can change the background music. You can upload the background music. You can modify the AI characters you have, or you can also add captions from all these different designs that we have now. AI Podcast will start a rendering and generating all the lip sync, all the animations, all the head movements, the voice over the interruptions, the laughs, and everything. And it's going to start putting this together, which takes about a minute or 2. And once the video is completely loaded, you can again modify each clip just like this from the timeline editor, or you can preview it. Now to preview it, you can click on preview and it will preview you the entire video. And as you can see, there are all these different clips that have been created. You can modify each clip, you can preview each clip. So for example, if you want to listen to this clip, you can click on this play button over here. Instead of the usual disappointment, Alex saw a number not seen in years. And then you can see the other. It wasn't just about weight loss, it was about a total life revamp, and it wasn't just about weight loss. And again, you can preview the very beginning. Hey everyone, welcome to Stepping Into Change. I'm Dina Walls, joined by my awesome co-host Mitchell Mullen. And then when you want to preview the entire thing, again, all working together, you can click on preview. And once you're ready, once you're good with it, you click on render and it will start rendering the video for you. Now again, you can pick from all these pre-made AI characters to include in your podcast, or you can create your own character by clicking on this by AI generated character, or uploading your own picture to convert yourself into an AI character. And you can also clone your own voice and connect it with your AI character. So all the podcasts that you create, you will be the host, or you can be the guest in the podcast, or you can pick from all these different AI voices we include, or you can use your own 11 Labs account and import your 11 Lab voices in it. Next, you can also plan all the podcast. So when you render a podcast, you can schedule it to be published on Facebook or YouTube at any any specific date or time, and AI Podcast will do it for you automatically. And you can also
download these podcasts and upload them on different video sharing websites. Now that's how AI Podcast works. That's how it helps you create hundreds of AI generated podcasts. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help you. Hey everyone, welcome to Stepping Into Change. I'm Dina Walls, joined by my awesome co-host Mitchell Mullen. Hey, so glad to be here. Today we're diving into an inspiring story about Alex, who had a classic scale moment we can all relate to. Oh yeah, that unexpected number drop never gets old. Totally, it's like winning the lottery. Instead of the usual disappointment, Alex saw a number not seen in years. That moment sparked a journey of transformation, and it wasn't just about weight loss, it was about a total life revamp. Exactly. Alex discovered the magic of simple salads and morning jog, gaining not just health, but confidence. And of course there's the battle with temptations. We've all been there, like that sneaky slice of cake. But Alex learned resilience is about tackling those moments head-on, not dodging them. So if Alex can do it, what's stopping you from starting your journey? Share this with someone who needs a bit of inspiration, and let's light up the path to greatness.